Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step build of how to use IRF Z44N MOSFET as a smart switch. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also explain how this little circuit can be used in bigger smart projects. So, let's begin. This is the IRF Z44N MOSFET, a high-powered transistor commonly used for switching and amplification. First, I will bend its source pin at a 90-degree angle so it can sit properly on the board. Then I will carefully bend the gate pin slightly apart from the drain pin to avoid any unwanted short circuits. Next, I will apply a small amount of solder on the source and drain pins of the MOSFET. Adding solder in advance helps us connect other components easily and ensures a solid joint. Now, this is a piece of copper wire. I'll solder it to the source pin of the MOSFET. This will act as a common connection for the negative side of the circuit. Here comes the star of our project, a 7-color auto-blinking LED. This LED automatically changes colors, creating a decorative effect. I'll solder its negative pin to the drain pin of the MOSFET. To protect the LED, I'll add a 1K ohm resistor to its positive pin. This resistor limits the current and ensures the LED lasts longer. After soldering, I'll cut off the extra pins to keep everything neat and clean. Now it's time to power up the circuit. I'll first apply a small amount of solder on the free pin of the resistor and on the copper wire. Then I'll connect the positive wire of a 12-volt battery to the free pin of the resistor and the negative wire to the copper wire. Finally, let's test our circuit. When I touch the gate and drain pins of the MOSFET together, the LED glows beautifully and starts auto-blinking through multiple colors. And when I touch the copper wire connected to the source pin, the LED turns off instantly. This is how a MOSFET works as a smart switch. It controls the flow of current based on a small signal at its gate. Now, let's talk about where this can be used. You can use the same concept to build touch lamps. It can be applied in touch sensor switches for home automation, or even in creative DIY decoration projects like glowing jars, wall lights, or mood lights. So, what do you think? Should I try upgrading this circuit into a real smart touch lamp in my next video? Let me know in the comments, because this is just the beginning.